Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are at day 34 of 100 days of Cloud by Cloud Cloud. In the day 34 task, we are going to create a Lambda function by using the AWS CLI. And here the task, we have to create a Python script and with the name of lambda function.py and that the body should be welcome to KKE AWS Labs and the status code should be 200 and we have to convert the Python script into zip file and that should be name of function.zip. And also we have to create a lambda function with the name of not lambda CLI and the runtime should be Python. And also we have to attach the IAM role already existed. And this is the text that we have to keep it in the function. JSON not required. Copy the body of the message. Save the file. We have to convert this function into a zip file. Execute the command zip lambda function.py function.zip zip function.zip. Function.zip file was created. Now create the lambda function. Change it accordingly. Change the function name to not lambda CLI. Runtime Python 3.1.4 and we have to change the account ID and also we have to change the role and the role should be lambda execution role and the function handler should be lambda function dot lambda handler and the file should be function.zip. We need to change the account ID. Click on new terminal and execute the command AWS S3S get caller identity and this is the account ID. Replace the account ID. Now the lambda function was created. Check the output of the lambda function that we have created by using the lambda invoke. Provide the function name not lambda CLI click on enter, and that we can see executed with the status code 200. Just check the output file.json and see status code 200 and body of the message is welcome to KKE Labs. And we are completing this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching this video.